Hello everyone, welcome to the video presentation of my system administration final project Survey. In this video, I will guide you through all of the steps I performed to deploy and secure the network environment of the Students Success Center on my Windows Server 2025. I will present this in 7 steps that I organize. Step 1, to delete the whole virtual machine and create a new virtual machine. To store on a completely clean slate, I first delete my old virtual machine on my AWS instance, and I then created a new virtual machine running Windows Server 2025, which I named 7 Dog Free Final Project. Once the instance was running, I connected to it via remote desktop connection. This is the desktop of my Windows Server. The first step was to go into a system selecting to change the host name of the virtual machine. This PC properties. Okay. Okay. For me, I named that final project. The step 2, edit the Active Directory domain service, roles, installation, and backup admins. The next is a server manage. You can click on server manage and want to edit a roles and fictitious to edit Active Directory domain service. Roles. Click on here, manage, create. Okay, click on edit roles and features. You can click on next, next, next. You can say for me it's already checked. Active Directory domain service installed. When I installed the Active Directory domain service, I stayed on a server manage. In the notification flag, I clicked on promote the server to a domain control. I selecting edit a new forest and created the domain named Inside Success Dog Cups. While selecting up a strong directory service restoration mode password, before launching the server promotion, I want to come to okay to computer management to create a local security users account. Here I created a security users account that I named it assign domain admin, and I did it as a member of the administrators groups. Once this account was created, I returned to completing the uh, Active Directory domain service promotions. At the end of this installation, the server restarted automatically. The next step is the step 3. Log in with the new admin account. Okay, need to join my Windows server with a new user. Inside domain admin, and the password donc okay. If the server is restarted, I log it or out of the default account, and I join my Windows server view remote desktop with a new user account. I need to verify that the connection and the domain were fully operational. You can check on Stick Manage, and the user tab. You can see my domain, my user account, and then run to the command prompt this point W H O A M I. Okay. The result confirmed that I was connected as administrators under the domain and signed success. The step for Active Directory configuration, view unite. Organizations unite. Then went to server manage. Can we went to server manage. Server manage on tools and click on Active Directory users and computers. And my domain inside 60-foot dog point, I created a main organizational unite student success center window that I create for organizations unite computers groups service account and users. Here he is the layout of the account and groups. In the groups organizational unite, I created a SG student manage group and SG student advisor groups. In the users organizational unite, I created 6 users count, manage account, student advisor 1, student advisor 2, student advisor 3, student advisor 4, student advisor 5. In the service count organizational unite, I created the users sec admin. And regarding group membership, I added student on group SG student advisor. I added the users student advisor 1 to student advisor 5. Properties. can see student advisor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's the members of the, the HG student advisor groups. And inside the student manager group, I added a manager user on the member of groups. The step 5 is directory structure, sharing, and entry FC permission. For the storage and file manager part, I went to the disk C drive C and create 2 folders, shares and wallpaper. Inside wallpaper, I personally created the image logo using Paint and saved it there. And the shells folder, inside shells folder, I created 2 zip folders, administrative report and counseling documents. Counseling document containing the final advising test and administrative report containing the final admin report. Okay, for share and security permissions, I share the root folder chars with full control permission for everyone. Full control for everyone. Network 711. And in the NTFS permission, counseling document subfounded, I gradually modify the permission and associate rights. Security. Okay, I gradually modify the permission for CG student manage and CG student advisor for modify permission and associate right. And for administrative report, I secreting. I I gradually full control permission execute to SG student manage. Verse 6, step 6, group police configuration. Finally press Windows R, that I tap G P M C Doug M S C to open the group police manage console. There I configure the four GPO required for my project. Forests, my domain, inside domain, inside 6f.command on my organizational unit com- computed. I create the first two G, GPU. The first is SSC disk standard. There you can click right on the GPU and click on edit, and there user configuration policies click on administrative templates, click on desk, desktop desktop and desktop wallpaper. I configure the desktop by selecting the exact file path. See what and to reinforce the logo, GPG image and locate modify using for property change. Property change enable. Able. V2 GPO is an user organizational United user that I create SSC Bronze configuration. Click right, edit, and there you user configuration preference, and control panel settings. Click on Internet settings. This is for me. Internet Explorer 2 that I edit. Autre user preference control internet selecting. You can see the edit Internet Explorer 2 rules and selecting the home page to www.sign.ed information technology. With the star, the home page, selecting enable variable using the function k and the function k5. The free GPO is on my domain that I create SSC password police. Right click, edit, and computer configuration policies. Computer configuration police. Windows selecting. And the security settings. Can click on account policies and passwords police. I reinforced a maximum password let of 12 characters and select complexing requiring mine to enable. Again, password must meet completing enable and maximum password age 24. The full GPU is on my organizational United Compute. Named SSC Security. Selecting right click, edit, click on user configuration, policies on administrative campus. Okay, here you can click on control panel and personalization. Personalization. And personalization, yeah, enable screen serve. Enable screen serve is enabled, and screen serve timeout is enabled. Password protect the screen serve is enabled. That I configured the the screen serve timeout to 900 for and the next step of my presentation, final police update. To complete the selecting and immediately apply all of those policies to above the computer on and users. I open the command prompt and run this command g p u p data Space Force. Hacking is screwing both computer and users. The police were applied successfully. You can see user police update data has completed successfully. Thank you for your attention.